One of the best no-code platforms for generating web apps, websites, whatever it is that your heart pleases without knowing any lines of code is Base44. And today I'm going to be giving you a rundown. We're going to be creating a web app and we're going to be looking at pricing and publishing our first app using the free version. Now, the first thing that you want to do is welcome to the video. I want you to mosey on to the description below, press the link, and it's going to take you to this here. While you can create an account using your email or logging in with Google, and right away, as fast as it just went, less than 10 seconds, you are in. So with these ChatGPT style platforms, what you want to do is that you want to have a prompt that is written properly. Now we have prepared this prompt that we use to benchmark these no-code AI platforms. Press go. And right as you go, it starts creating your app right here. And like all of them, the preview is going to be on the right and the chat prompt area is going to be on the left. Now I'm going to start timing this and tell you actual numbers. This might be one of the quickest times that we've ever had a preview come up. It's 3 minutes, exactly 3 minutes. We have a working preview that looks awesome. Continue your journey. Free to use. It signs you up. Now you can edit this with Base44. It's going to appear until you are in one of the paid tiers. That is so solid. So nice. And the graphics are so good. Can we edit it? Okay. So usually when it's this early into the preview, it doesn't really allow you to edit, but it fixed it right away just now. So as you can see, build quality is amazing. And this is on the free tier. And as always, you can just edit everything. This gives you the phone view right here. You can edit whatever it is that your heart pleases just by re-prompting it through the chat right here. So as far as pricing on Base44, I don't think it's that much different. It isn't. So we're using the free one right now, and we'll see if we're going to be able to actually publish with it. Link in the description below right now. The starter one is 100 more credits and 2,000 integration credits. $16 for 40, you get 250 credits, and they're also credit based. So they scale a little bit difficultly because they scale according to how much you use them. And the pro one, which is the one pretty much the best value, and the elite is if you have an entire team. So yeah. Right here, it's applying and reapplying actions, habit flow. We can have the app right now. Now, a quick Reddit roundup on Base44. People are saying it's shockingly fast at turning a prompt into an MVP. It's true. Tried and tested. A lot of non-coders, which includes me, report building real tools in minutes, and several users posted successful client and personal project. That said, the community flags some real caveats too. Docs, integrations, and third-party resources are still thin compared to mature no-code platforms, so you can hit limits if you need complex features. There's also a bit of skepticism. A few threads call out suspiciously glowing subreddit posts and review patterns, and folks worry about support and how the recent Wix acquisition might change things up. But yeah, I'd say tried and tested and true. Pretty powerful stuff. Let's move on to publishing. And all we need to do is just press publish right here. And if you want a custom domain, you can always connect Hostinger and publish the app, to which I think we're done. Public access is done. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live, and I will link you to the app down in the description below. So yes, without anything, no fluff whatsoever, this has been Base44. Thank you so much for watching. We just showed you how to make an app from scratch, how we re-edit it, the pricing tiers, and you can check it down in the description below. And in the description below is a link to sign up, create your first web app, and publish it for free.